Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to calibrate the screen of a Garmin Nuvi 1300 series or 1400 series GPS unit. Now, when do we need calibration? We need calibration when the functionality of the screen is off by few millimeters or few inches. For example, if you click on one alphabetical letter, the one next to it is being activated, that's when you need calibration. Or if you click on one icon and the icon next to it is being activated, and so on. Okay, so here is how we do it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to turn off the GPS completely, unplug it and turn it off. Make sure that it's not even in charge mode, it's completely off. Then hold your thumb or any finger at the upper left corner while turning it on. Now keep your finger in the upper left corner and do not let go. Keep your finger continuously for about 40 seconds or maybe a little less, and until you get the calibration screen with the dot in the corner. That's when you let go your finger. So let's see, in a few more seconds we should get that screen. Okay, so that is the screen. I'm going to let go my finger now, and now what we need to do is we need to press that dot as it moves around, preferably with something that has a fine point but not too sharp to damage the screen. So I'm using a stylus. This is a stylus from a tablet. You could use a stylus or anything to that nature. Okay, so here is how we do it. Let's see. So we click there, and when you're clicking, make sure that your other fingers don't touch other areas of the screen, because if you do that you will ruin the calibration procedure. Calibration complete. Click OK, and now the screen should not act weird and it should function normally. And let me show you how it works normally now. See, so now I click where to, I click address, and I click spell city, and as I press D I get D, as I press G I get G. Everything is functioning the way it should function. So that's how you do it. That's how you do a calibration. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.